Ever wondered how to spice up your Ome TV chats by switching things up? Welcome to your quick guide on mastering camera angles in Ome TV. Let's jump right in. First, locate the camera icon. It's usually positioned discreetly within your chat window, often near the bottom or side. This little icon is your gateway to a new perspective. Give that camera icon a tap. You'll notice a small menu or a set of options pop up. Here, you'll typically see choices like front camera and back camera. If you're on a mobile device, for instance, you can seamlessly switch between your phone's front-facing camera for selfies and the rear camera to show off your surroundings. Want to go back to your usual view? Just tap the camera icon again and select your preferred camera option, usually the front one. Experiment with these switches to see what works best for your conversations and to keep your chats dynamic and interesting. That's it. Mastering your camera angles on Ome TV is simple. Now go forth and explore new connections with a fresh perspective.